Marina from Frocks Frolics, and I'm going to take you through printing off your pattern. So you want to go on courses and then you need to choose your pattern size. It's either letter size for US, Canada, Mexico, or DIN A4 for the rest of the world. Click on your pattern and the link will open up your pattern, which you then need to download to your computer. You need to open your pattern in Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. If you haven't got one, please go to the footer of the website and click on Printing Help. And on the Printing Help page, you find a free Acrobat Reader DC that you can download to your computer. I found this link in 2013 and it still works, so for as long as it works, go and download it for free. Then you want to go on Print. Select the option Custom Scale 100% or Actual Size and press Print. Now you want to pop over to your course, and that will be your Unit 2, all about your pattern, where I explain everything you need to know about this little pattern. And I'm going to just demonstrate this here with a Beatrice blouse. The first thing to do once you've printed off, and maybe just print off the first page actually, check the scale. It needs to be 5 centimeters or an inch. The last page of your pattern pack is always an assembly plan. It shows you exactly how the pieces go together, and yes, we do everything in German and in English here. So for example, the front has 2 pieces to it and the back 3. You always know which is the front because it has a white flower, and the back always has a pink flower. So it's very easy to differentiate between the different pieces. Now you need to put all the pieces together to create a whole pattern piece, and in this case let's have a look at the bow. You have an attachment line here, and that's where the other piece that we need for the bow, they're in alphabetical order, so we've got A and B, where they need to go together. So I'm going to cut A out now so that we can just see how that works, and it is the same for all my patterns. Now we're going to cover the attachment line and sellotape it together. Then I'm going to explain you all about the pattern, so you know what all the markings mean, how it goes together. I also show you examples so you know what to do and what it will look like. And this blouse, for example, was made by Melissa, and this blouse was made by Emily, and I think they are gorgeous. So at the end of the day, you will be really confident in knowing what to do with your pattern, which pieces to cut out for what. And I hope to see you soon in one of my courses and we can make something together. Bye for now.